Hi guys, Shar with Your Site Needs Me here. In this video, I'm going to show you what the Excellent Agent add-on is. So the Excellent Agent add-on is an IDXBroker add-on for brokers, and it allows the brokers the ability to offer their agents their own mini website that's part of the broker's website. It is not a standalone website, it's a mini website, and it is connected to their IDXBroker agent dashboard, which is their sub IDXBroker account that they get as a part of your broker account. So it's also a benefit in a couple of other ways, which I'll explain throughout this video. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples of what it is, and I'm going to show you some of the things that are customizable and some of the things that aren't. So I'm going to show you first the benchmark example. I'm on their roster page, and when I come down, I'm just going to click on this agent right here. You notice it's going to go to his agent URL. And you'll notice the page does not look like a normal agent URL. So a normal URL might look like, actually, oops. Like this, and it'll show basically without the header, but it would look like this, a blank page with the agent, their contact information, their bio, whatever they decide to put in here is their bio, and then their properties. So that's a normal page. So in this example, you see Adam has his own page. It actually doesn't look like the company site at all, where this one is branded with the company site, the homepage, and everything. This one instead has his photo up on the top, his name and his title underneath. It has a menu with search homes, which goes to the advanced search page. His property listings, which will jump you down the page to his listings. Home valuation, which will take you to the IDXBroker home valuation page. And about me, which will again jump you down here to his bio. All right. Also on the right hand side, we have his phone number and his email address. And then in the middle of the page, we have a quick search. So anybody that wants to search could come down here and they could choose their area, put in a price, beds, bath, and hit the search button. Down below, if we scroll down, again, we're going to see his properties that he has that are assigned to him, his properties that he's listing, his photo, again, his name, title, contact information, and his bio over here on the right with any, he's added these links himself. This is part of the contact agent, Adam Houghton, and view sold listings. This is part of the original template. As you can see here, it should show their contact information, view sold listings. So that's the same. So the agent add-on is $69 a month. It doesn't matter how many agents you have. It applies to everybody. Now, some of the things that are customizable about this page, you have to think of this page like a template. So the template is going to be the same from agent to agent, no matter which agent you click on. The template is going to basically have the menu up here. It's going to have the see-through section with, and then the agent contact, agent photo, name and title. Those are all going to be part of the template. They all go in the same exact place. The photo behind the quick search is the same on every page. The quick search itself is the same on every page. It's what's below here that is the normal IDXBroker roster page information, just formatted differently. The things that when you choose to sign up for Excellent Agent that you can change are going to be this background photo. So again, it's going to be the same on every agent's page, but it could be a different photo. You can go to bigstockphoto.com, choose any photo that you want for this background image, and it will be, just tell us the stock photo ID and we'll download it and add it to the image. I can also change the words that are up here as far as what the menu says, but they're going to be the same words on everybody's site. I can also add the company logo over here. So I'm going to show you another example that's a little bit different from this one so you can see the difference. So on this page, again, I'm on the roster page, and I'm going to go down and I'm going to click this first agent, and you can see hers is a little bit different. We have her photo here, her name, title, phone number, and email are on the left instead, and we have the logo on the right. So if you want the logo on the right, The name and contact information stays on the left. Instead of search homes, it says search, my listings, home valuation, and about. So these are a little bit different, but they pretty much do the same thing. My listings is going to jump you down the page. Oh, she has no listings, so I can't. Search, home valuation are going to go to the standard IDXBroker pages. The background photo is different, but the quick search is the same. And if you scroll down below, again, her listings, her contact information, bio, and links. And so you'll also notice that we have styled this so that it has the same style as the Pro Sold Realty site. The footer of the site will be your website, the main broker's website. So if we scroll down to the bottom of this one, you'll see the main broker's website as well down here. But the rest of it basically looks like this agent's own personal website. Now, a couple of things to note about this. If they do a search, let's say they do a search. What's going to happen is it's going to revert back to the benchmark or the company primary site. So now we don't have the agent up here on the top or anything like that because this is a standard IDXBroker page and it's a results page. I can't have each agent results page be different. So they all have to be the same in this case. Once they hit search, they're going into the search page. Most of the clients searching the site aren't even going to notice or care at this point. So you don't want to worry about that. If you click on search homes, it's going to bring them to the advanced search page. So they get the whole advanced search. I do have some brokers that want us to forward their agent subdomain names to this page instead, which I think is a great idea because that's what the client wants, is to search homes. But that's the free version, and we can do that if you don't choose the excellent agent. However, in this case, the agent has their quick search right here, and typically this information is enough to get any client started. And then you have the home valuation as well, which is going to ask people to fill out a form to get a CMA. Now, why does this benefit the agent? A couple of different reasons. Number one, every agent, whether you have an excellent agent add-on or not, is going to get a subdomain name. And it's, for example, Adams is adamhelton.benchmarkrealtytn.com. When you type it in, notice it goes to his agent page. This is what the agent is going to be giving out. So every agent will have their own subdomain name. If you don't have the excellent agent add-on, the subdomain name goes to their regular page, which is your website. If you do have the add-on, they get this mini site. Notice at the end of the add-on, this is where the magic happens. This is your agent header ID. So in this example, no agent header ID on the end of this. In this example, agent header ID. And in this example, I actually have to go back. You see the agent header ID right here. The agent header ID is actually the special thing about this page. And regardless of whether you have excellent agent or not, your agent subdomain names will always use the agent header ID so that the agents can give that URL out with confidence so that if somebody were to use that URL, let's say they put Adam Helton. Let's say he put adamhelton.benchmarkrealtytn.com on his business card. His client went to that website, typed in adamhelton.agent or .benchmarkrealtytn.com. This agent header ID, it's going to automatically forward to this URL that includes the agent header ID, and it's going to cookie the user's computer. What that means is if I were a user and I did do a search, and from the moment I've typed in adamhelton.benchmarkrealtytn.com, it's going to make it so that if I sign up at any point, that lead goes to Adam. This has cookied my browser. So now, and every time I visit Benchmark Realty TN or Adam Helton, it doesn't matter, I have a cookie on my browser. Unless the client clears their browser history in cache, it's going to stay on their computer. So the same thing is going to be true if I go to, for instance, search homes. That agent header ID is still going to be on there. See the end of it? And it doesn't matter. Even if it wasn't on there, it would not matter because the minute they've gone to this URL, it instantly cookies them. Again, the same thing if they go to home valuation, that cookie is in place. So the agent can confidently give out that URL, adamhelton.benchmarkrealtytn.com, and know that if one of his clients goes to that URL, he's going to get the lead. The difference with the excellent agent add-on is he gets this really cool little landing page with only his information that's branded to him, and it does the same thing as the regular agent bio page, but it looks like his own little mini website. So a lot of agents won't have a website, or don't have the money to put forth towards a website, or don't want to bother with the hassle, but they won't send their clients to the company site because they know that the company site, if their client signs up for anything, that lead might go to another agent. In either case, with the mini site or the bio site, they can use that subdomain name that we create, and they can be confident that they're going to get the lead. But with the mini site, it actually looks like their own little mini website. So you as the broker are giving them their own little mini agent website that they can use. They can put it on their business cards or however they want. And when somebody goes to it, it looks like their own little site, something like similar that maybe Keller Williams or Remax might give an agent. There are no pages that they can add to this for additional information. We can't add any other items in the menu, because if we did, it'd be on everybody's page. So if I added, for instance, my relocation kit on here, every agent would have that on there. And a relocation kit page might, have a form that is a generic form, and I can't use the agent header ID on that. I can only use the agent header ID on IDX pages. So that would not be possible. Additionally, I'm happy to set up a domain name. So if you had a client or an agent rather, that didn't have a website, but loved this whole mini website that they get, but let's say they wanted to have their own domain name, like adamhelton.com, then it is free for you to have your agent contact me, and I'll set it up for them. There's a couple things I'm going to need from the agent. Like, I'll need to be able to log into wherever they purchase their domain name, and I would definitely have the agent purchase their own domain name. They want to have them under their own control. They're in their name. So if, let's say, Adam had his own domain name, and he does, I'm not going to go to it though because he actually has a website on it. But if he had his own domain name that he wanted to point toward the mini site, they can contact support@yoursiteneedsme.com, and we'll help them get that set up to go to the mini site so they could use that on their business cards. And the great thing is again, it's still going to use that same agent header ID. It's going to cookie their user's browser, so they're going to get the lead and they feel confident to do it. And that's it. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions. We can also do webinars with your agents. We offer free webinars to walk them through how to use their mini sites and their agent bio pages, and how to edit it themselves. They can edit their own contact information, name, title, photo, right from within their IDXBroker dashboard, their agent dashboard. So, and I will train any agents. It's all for free, and I will also do the webinars with as many agents as you want. Just give us a call or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, pero, yeah, pull, oh, yeah, ooh, yeah, ah, woohoo!